Today we're talking about eyebrows, a feature that is usually neglected. But even if you're wearing a natural looking makeup, it's good to touch every part of the face in order to achieve a harmonious look. So let's take a closer look at the eyebrows. For now, let's put trends aside, because at the end of the day, we have what we have, and looking naturally beautiful will always be on trend, because it's timeless. Let's have a look at what we're working with here. So first, I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. Now I can see I'm missing some hair here and here, and also this eyebrow is significantly shorter than this one, so I'm gonna try to even it out. I will start with eyebrow pencil. It will help me achieve very natural looking hair-like strokes and add missing hair in my eyebrows. What do I mean by hair-like strokes? Let me show you on my hand. So this is approximately how it should look. You can see I filled it in the beginning, at the arch, and see how it transformed this half of my face into more finished and beautified one. So the other eyebrow is now done as well. As you can see, they're not completely the same, because as I usually say, eyebrows are sisters, not twins, so don't overdo it with symmetry and perfection. If this is still not enough for you, I have another trick up my sleeve, and that's the fiber gel for the eyebrows. It actually sticks little fibers to the hairs in your eyebrows, making them look bigger, bushier, and basically 3D feature. So let's try it out. Oh my god, can you see that? It doubles my eyebrow. As you can see, eyebrows are a spectrum. You can go very natural with a micro pencil or very bold with the fiber gel. The choice is up to you, but do something to your eyebrows. A small change makes a major difference.